Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. So Google just sent me over a couple of their items. They sent me over the latest Pixel device, the Pixel 5 5G, along with the fabric case and the Pixel Buds. I actually own a pair of the Pixel Buds since they went on sale last year, so I will be giving them to my girlfriend to try them out. Google sent a nice greeting card in the front of the box with the Google colors that looks really nice. Opening up the lid reveals all the goodies, and I'll start off with the Pixel Buds. Inside the little box you get the Pixel Buds case that has a really good soft touch feel. Inside the little box you also get two other earbud tip sizes, the USB-C charging cable and the instruction booklet. The buds themselves are pretty small and sit comfortably in my ear. I already made an entire video dedicated to the Pixel Buds, so you can check that out with the link in the description. They have received a couple of updates since then and it has improved the overall experience, so 8 out of 10 I would recommend. Now onto the case. I really like the fabric cases, they look and feel fantastic. They sent me over the dark gray one, and that is the one to go with if you don't want to be cleaning it often, since the lighter color tend to show stains easier. Their cases are a little expensive at $40, and you can always pick up a case off Amazon for daily use and pop this case on when you want it to look flashy. That way you keep it from getting dirty so quickly if you go for the lighter colors. They do give you some directions on how to wash them in the box. Now onto the Pixel 5 5G. The Pixel 5 comes in two different colors. You can pick it up in just black or the sort of sage color. They sent me over the mint one that looks good and I kinda dig it. Besides the phone, you will also get the instruction booklet with the SIM card ejection tool on the back. You will also get the charging brick, the charging USB-C cable, and the USB-A to USB-C adapter to transfer over your old phone's data to the Pixel 5. My first impression of the Pixel 5 is that the phone feels a little small for their flagship. I got so used to the Samsung S20 Plus 6.7 inch screen, so the display feels very tiny on the Pixel 5. Even the Pixel 4 XL screen looks bigger, even though it's only 0.3 inches bigger at 6.3 inches. I will need a couple of weeks with it to adjust to the smaller display for daily use. I mainly prefer a larger display for watching YouTube videos and playing some runs of PUBG Mobile on it. The back of the phone has a subtle smooth finish feel to it with a little bit of texture on it. It is formed from 100% recycled aluminum coated with the soft plastic feeling texture on top. The Pixel 5 does offer wireless charging and reverse wireless charging surprisingly, even though it has an aluminum body. On the bottom of the phone you will see the stereo speakers and the USB-C port for charging. On the right side we get this kind of greenish aluminum power button and the volume rocker. On the top of the display you can notice that it's missing the top speaker because it's under the display, and this will be interesting to see how it plays out when making phone calls. Now taking a look at the back of the phone, Google brought back the well-placed rear fingerprint scanner. I personally think this is by far the best looking front of the Pixel device aside from Pixel 4a. I'm glad they finally got rid of the thick bezels and it looks symmetrical and all the corners have the same radius. It has a tiny hole punch for the front 8 megapixel camera. I was hoping they kept the Quad HD display on the Pixel 5, but unfortunately they went with a Full HD Plus display that would theoretically conserve more battery life, so I'm looking forward to seeing how the 4000 mAh battery holds up on the Pixel 5 and if I would notice the resolution difference a lot after using it for a couple of weeks. The Pixel 5 still has a buttery smooth 90Hz refresh rate though, so it should still provide a nice experience. The best part about Pixel devices is the camera and software. The Pixel 5 houses a 12 megapixel wide angle lens and a 16 megapixel ultra wide angle lens instead of a telephoto lens. The Pixel 5 has taken video a little more seriously now, so there are quite some improvement there and we'll take a look at that in my full review. Alright guys, so that does it for today's unboxing. Stay tuned for my full review on the Pixel 5 and let me know what you would like to know. I know I'm a little late on posting this video. I had a couple of projects I've been working on and preparing for some exams, so yeah, it took me a while. Okay, so I will talk to you guys on the next one.